going to be making boats and learning about how boats float.
Our materials are tape, cartons, wooden skewers, a marker, and scissors, and construction paper.
First, draw a triangle on the construction paper, like this. Then cut the triangle out for the sail. Then decorate the sail. Mine is a pirate.
I did it, Mommy.
Then tape your sail to the wooden skewer. Poke a hole straight through the carton like this. Then put the sail through the holes. Now we have our boat. Fill a container with water. Now let's see if our boat can float. Yippee! It floats! But how does a boat float? According to Archimedes Principal of buoyant force, when any object is in a liquid, the buoyant force makes it float. This force is equal to the weight of the liquid that the object displaces. Check out the buoyant force. When it pushes the ball down, the water pushes it back up. So when we place the boat in the water, it pushes some water to the side. The water that it pushed to the side weighs the same as the water pushing up on the boat, making it float.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.